yourself on a lake, perched on a key, silent waiting for clouds to overcome that stubborn circus sun. She who has become the people's chosen one. You will find the shades of grey shake the blue out of the day like a loaded gun. The trees will turn and run, but they are rooted to the earth, and now it's getting colder. Wind to the west, we run into the sound for drums, into the wild, into the wild. Bullets by the millions strike through the water window light until they disappear. Now one with the mirror to which you appear. You know your fears here. A bed of shivers now replace that motion-weary summer lake. Now your God spits his hate into your dinner plate. You're grinning like a toddler.